Hello everyone, our topic for today is all about Xhtml file formatting. So in this video, I am only going to share you about the Xhtml history. The history of Xhtml starts with a draft document released on December 1998 by the World Wide Web Consortium. This document refers the reformulating HTML and XML a new specification called Xhtml. For those who don't know what is XML, it is one of the most widely used formats for sharing structured information today between programs, between people, between computers and people. This new specification reformulated HTML and XML using the existence element or attributes. In May 1993, World Wide Web Consortium declared that HTML 4.0 had been reformed as an XML application. In other words, Xhtml. In January 26, 2000, the first specification that defines HTML 1.0 was released by the World Wide Web Consortium. Further, in May 31, 2000, the World Wide Web Consortium announced Xhtml as an independent language and started working on development of HTML 5.0. However, in 2005, a working group WHATWG was formed that aimed to prove ordinary HTML independent of Xhtml. The WHATWG eventually started working on HTML5 in parallel to Xhtml2. That's all.
What is an HTML file? The HTML is a text-based file format with markup in the XML. Using reformulation of HTML 4.0, these files are well suited to be opened or viewed in a web browser. HTML was designed to be more structured, less scripting, generic, using all the existing facilities of XML and more device independent. HTML provides a generally worthwhile set of elements and attributes, with extension options in combination with style sheets. The attributes are used from the metadata attributes collection. HTML provides flexibility and accessibility by subordinating all HTML presentation elements to style sheets. Style sheets are more versatile than these presentational elements. Specifications for HTML 4.01, HTML5, and Xhtml are being dynamically developed by the World Wide Web Consortium. So these are the example of Xhtml file format.
So now, I will discuss some of the examples of basic Xhtml formatting. But before I proceed, I will add some more important details about basic Xhtml formatting. So in general, Xhtml formatting is handled by cascading style sheets or styles. However, there are a few simple default ways to format text in Xhtml. Most of the elements mentioned in this document are logical elements. They give structure by describing what they contain, while also providing default formatting. Additionally, there are times when styles are overkill for a simple page because only basic formatting, for example, boldface or italicized text, is required. So, these are the example of basic formatting Xhtml. So now the question is when we should use the basic Xhtml formatting. So there are two main types or main situations in basic Xhtml formatting. So first, most of the elements discussed in this chapter are logical elements. That is, they give structure to your documents by describing what they contain. For example, the code element is specifically designed for formatting lines of code from a script or program, where it formats such content in a monospace font It also more importantly identifies the text as a code. So, when we talk about monospace font, these are the sample. So, monospace font defined as it should have two fonts available. It is a proportionally spaced font such as Times and a monospace font such as Courier. Some examples of the text that should be displayed in a monospace fonts are computer code, URLs, and commands to enter using the keyboard. There are 4 elements that format text using a monospace font: the double T, code, KBD, and SAM. These elements represent typewriter text, computer code, keyboard instructions, and sample text respectively. So that's all. Thank you.